Hi guys, welcome to tonight's video. For tonight's meal, I have prepared some fully loaded nachos. I am really excited to eat these. I know I just did nachos like a month ago or something like that, but like I have had such a craving for these. Okay, so can I just dig in first? I'm just gonna take one bite and then I'll tell you guys what's on them because I am like dying a little bit just staring at these. Oh yeah. Okay. I need to just get like the craving started. So I've got my hot taco sauce over here, a bowl of sour cream because nachos and sour cream are just my favorite. On the tray, I am using jalapeno Tostitos, and then we use ground turkey with a taco seasoning pack in it. I used hot and spicy. These are going to be hot and spicy nachos. I can already tell by the bite that I just took. Oh my goodness. Hot and spicy taco pack in the ground turkey. And then I have Tex-Mex cheese and like a combination cheddar. As well as like my toppings is jalapenos, lettuce, tomato, and green onion. They taste so good. So if you guys don't mind, I'm just gonna keep going and I'll chat with you guys in a second. Hi, how are you? I've been gone for a couple days. I know. I want to like put this down, but it's like not close enough. So I know my schedule's been a little wonky. I'm back now. It'll be posting every other day. Sorry about that, but I was on vacation and when it comes down to it, I just honestly didn't want to do anything. Like I think like most of my eating patterns were like completely off last week as it was just being off. So it's kind of tough and I was like, you know what? Like I just don't want to. So I just didn't. But I'm back now. Hi guys. I really didn't do, oh, I'm losing all my toppings. I really didn't do too much for my vacation, to be honest. Well, if you guys started following me on TikTok, then you know that I've been making TikToks all week, basically. Just of random stuff. I just kind of hung out around my house. We had friends over a couple times. It was Canada Day. And then we had more friends over on Saturday night. And we were drinking and I was like, I've been sort of drinking on and off all week, but I've been craving nachos. But honestly, I didn't feel like making them and I was like, no, if I have nachos, I want to share it. Like I want to make a video and share it. So I waited. Does anybody else put too much toppings on? I put way too much toppings on. Today was actually my first day back to work. And isn't it strange how exhausting that can be? I'm tired. After I eat this, I'm gonna go lay down. It's probably because I literally did nothing all week. Yikes. That just exploded. Sorry, I probably feel like I'm eating really quickly, but I'm starving. And these are so good. Like, I spread the jalapenos, like I cut the jalapenos up really small. And just like spread them out over the tray. And it's just like the perfect amount. I have so many mosquito bites on my legs because of like our backyard. I don't know if you guys have seen on TV or anything, like on a commercial. It's called a thermocell, and it gives you like, I don't know. It basically is supposed to like scare away the mosquitoes. So we bought one of those for the deck, but I don't know if we didn't, not that it wasn't working, because it definitely was working. I could tell there was less mosquitoes, but there was still mosquitoes. So I don't know, we just have to figure out where to place it, I think. I don't. So yeah, vacation's over now. Well, this round. I have another week of vacation coming in 3 weeks. I'm sure that'll be the vacation that I do more things or get something accomplished. Because this last week was definitely a nothing week for me. I guess that's not true. I was working out a bit. I brought my cloth too. Got it. I gave it too many nachos on the tray, so there's like the bottom ones don't have anything. It's so good. Excuse me. Yeah, so today was our first day too at the store that we had the change rooms open again. Because we haven't been, like, obviously not letting people try stuff on. And we finally opened them today so people could try stuff on. I don't know, it just seemed like kind of a disaster for the first little bit. We got it figured out, but people are going to be cranky because, like, we have to quarantine all the items after they've tried them on. And so we're trying to limit people to only like 3 items. Like per change room visit, basically. So they can come back and try. I don't know. It's like a whole thing. I think it's just gonna be tough. Like once we get used to it, I think it'll be like okay, but like people want, like on the weekends and stuff, when people are just coming out to like just look or like browse around, they try on like tons of stuff sometimes. So I'm not too sure how we're gonna like combat that, you know? Company policy is company policy though, so I guess I'll just listen and do what I'm told. Phoebe and Jacob were supposed to go and get their braces on today, and then when they got there, yeah, they're both getting braces. Phoebe's getting a second round. Because everything had been closed for so long, because they were actually supposed to get them back in like April, like March or April. Oh my god, this is a disastrous mess and I love it. So good. Anyways, so Jacob went in first and he was just supposed to be getting, can you guys hear the ice cream truck? Jacob was supposed to be getting, they're called aligners, but they look like Invisalign basically. But his teeth, excuse me, shifted and moved in the last couple months, so they don't even fit him, so now they have to order new ones. Phoebe got hers put on, and it's just like the metal wired ones again, which is fine. I'm sure she'd, well, I think she's a little bit cranky right now because they're just on, but she's been through it before, so I'm sure she'll be okay. So yeah, so he didn't get his, so we have to go, we're gonna have to go back in a couple weeks when they get them back in. Oh my goodness. I like desperately need my bangs to get cut. And I know I had my hair in braids like last week and a few people were like, oh my gosh, you should swear like that all the time. I can't. I don't, personal reasons, it's not even like personal reasons, it's like my head looks weird. I don't know. It was like, it pulls on your head a little bit because of where the braids sit. I mean, I'm gonna continue to do it. because it's like my night, like in the summertime I like to braid my hair, like French braid my hair like that, because if we're at the beach or something like that, it's just out of my face. My hair is so curly, well, you can't really tell anymore because it's like been fried a little bit, but my bangs don't listen. And like when it's humid and stuff out, they just, I get ridiculously fluffy hair. And my bangs get like all curly, which is why I like to pin them back. It's like a whole thing, okay? My hair is a sore spot for me. I don't know if I've ever like told you guys a story about when I was little. Actually, I'm sure Nathan would love me to tell you guys a story. He's one of very few people that have seen my third and fourth grade photo. Anyways, when I was younger, I think between second and third grade, that's what I'm gonna say. It could be like a year or two off, but like it's not, well, no, it's not 2 years off. It was either between second and third grade or third and fourth grade. Anyways, I went to summer camp. It was a horse riding summer camp. If you're from around here, you might have heard it. It's called Circle Square Ranch. I went there that summer because for trick riding for horses, because we had horses when we were younger and I wanted to ride more and blah, 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 blah. Well, when I came back from camp and I had long, thick hair, like similar to what it is now, but I was like younger. I came back from camp that summer. I had head lice. And really the only option that my mom had, because you have to remember this is in like 1990. I don't know. 3, 4? Anyways, it wasn't the only option that she had, but because my hair was so thick and curly, she just cut my hair really short. Oh my god, horrible idea. It like gives me like flashbacks. Even my brothers still talk about it. Anyway, she cut my hair like extremely short. Like, you know, and this isn't to like make fun of like haircuts, but like older women, I always say grandmas because my mom has this haircut and like she has grandchildren. It's like short, but then it has like the little poof like at the top. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like mostly people over 50 have it. Sorry if I'm like putting someone in a age group. Excuse me. Anyways, she cut my hair that short and I was like really young. And it traumatized me. And because my hair was so short, but thick and curly, I look like freaking Ronald McDonald. Like, I'm not kidding you. Nathan has these pictures and he's like, I'm gonna keep them and like one day I'm gonna blackmail you with them. He wouldn't ever. Plus I'm like, whatever, show people, I don't really care. It's embarrassing, but I don't really care. So yeah, so like that growing back and growing out, I just felt like I had such like perfect hair before and then that happened and it's like, so now my brothers always say to me, like, remember that time that mom shaved your head? And I'm like, yeah, I do. She didn't shave it, but it was like pretty short. So now I'm like really sensitive about my hair and what it looks like, and I have bangs now, but like I said, in the heat and the humidity, you never know what's gonna happen to your hair. I'm sure some of you will agree with me on this. I carry a mini hair straightener. Well, not agree with me on this, but like agree with me on the fluffy hair and the heat. But I carry a mini hair straightener with me everywhere I go. It plugs in. I fix my hair. I like fix my hair every morning when I get to work, because if it's hot or if it's humid, you guys can kind of see like it's curling to the side. Sorry I'm talking about my hair a lot, but it's a sensitive subject. I laid out in the sun a lot on my vacation, to be quite honest. I just like put on my bathing suit and grab my book and or my phone to like listen to a podcast or whatever. And it was just so relaxing. It was so beautiful out this week. Excuse me. Ah, come on now. I like dumped the bag, well not the whole bag, but like dumped the bag. So you know how there's like always like little broken ones at the bottom? I think that's like what mostly fell onto my tray. Hot. That was hot. Oh. Does anybody like, I don't want to comment about it. Nikocado avocado. I was watching a commentary channel and they were talking about him. And I just like, I know what mukbang is and I know all that stuff, but like, he just makes us look bad. Like, I'm eating a giant plate of nachos, but I don't eat to excess. I don't feel like I eat to excess all the time. This is a little bit much. Like even right now I'm a little bit full, but I know that some of this I'm not even gonna eat. Anyways, do you guys watch him? What do you guys think? I know I was just watching C Squad, which, excuse me. You guys should definitely go check out their channel. They were doing mukbang and now they're doing weight loss. I mean, if you're into that kind of stuff. I think they're still kind of doing both. But they just happened to mention it in their video that they were just posting something about them and they're fighting and like how it's like funny and stuff like that. And it's like, what? I agree. It is like funny. It's like, what the hell are you guys posting this stuff for? But it's a dramatic channel. Anyways. I just wonder how you guys are feeling, because I've been watching commentaries on their channel and I just feel like it's like, ugh, People can say some really rude and mean things about mukbangers, which is totally whatever, that's their opinion, but I just feel like they don't, it's like they don't watch us, they don't know. Back when Nick was like a vegan, like he did vegan channels and stuff like that, a friend of mine had a similar channel, and I actually didn't mind his videos, but they've just gotten a little bit more insane over the years. Clearly. Aw. And don't worry, I'm not wasting the chips, guys. I know I say this every time that I always have extra chips on my plate. They are not being wasted. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'll put some of that on there. That's a lot of cheese. Oh. It's just like my mouth is on fire. These are really hot. I didn't even use my taco sauce, I just realized. Oopsie. They were good enough without it. Oh. Good timing. The sour cream's like running out too. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my nacho video of me just babbling for about half an hour. Thank you guys for always listening. Thank you guys so much for hanging out tonight. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers on the channel. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed so far. I think it's really special, and I appreciate all of you guys. I appreciate all the warm comments, all the thumbs up on the videos. It's really great, and I just want to say thank you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, please feel free to do so. Check out some of my other content. Let me know what you guys want to see me eating over the next couple months with, you know, like with summer here. I'm going to be doing more outdoor videos. It's just really hot outside today. That's why I was eating inside. But anyways, yeah, just let me know. And that's all I got. I'm going to go and watch Unsolved Mysteries on Netflix. If you guys haven't watched it, you gotta start watching. It's a little weird. It's not as good as it used to be. Because, oh my god, does anybody else remember when Unsolved Mysteries was on like Saturday nights? It was like Unsolved Mysteries and then America's Most Wanted, and then like as a child you couldn't sleep because you were like, oh, they never did figure these cases out, so that person's gonna come and murder me? Just me, huh? Okay. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me. This was absolutely delicious. I'm so happy that I did it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!